Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your PNC Bank account. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC. And there on the URL bar, search for pncbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be directly taken to its official web page. Now, in order to get logged into your PNC Bank account, you have to simply tap on Sign On button at the top right of your screen. Once you tap on it, a login box will appear on your screen. Now you have to simply type in your user ID and the password of your account. Now if you want your system to remember your user ID, then tick this square box so that you don't have to manually type in your user ID in your future logins. But if you're using other shared device, then make sure to uncheck or leave this box as it is. Now if in case you have forgotten either your user ID or your password, then you can recover it by tapping on Forget ID or Password link. And once you're done with typing in your credentials correctly, tap on Login button in order to get logged into your PNC Bank account. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your PNC Bank account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.